Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to learn English with songs and music. First, select songs that are easy to understand. Look for clear vocals and a slower pace to help you catch each word. Focus on the overall meaning of the lyrics before diving into specifics. This initial step builds a strong foundation for your listening comprehension and vocabulary acquisition. Next, dive deeper by analyzing the lyrics. Read along as you listen, pausing to look up any words or phrases you don't know. This active engagement helps you connect the written word with its spoken sound. Notice how grammar is used in context and identify any common idioms. This step significantly expands your vocabulary and understanding of English expressions. Now, it's time to actively practice. Sing along with your chosen songs to improve your pronunciation and rhythm. Don't be afraid to record yourself and compare it to the original artist. This helps you identify areas for improvement. Try using the new vocabulary you've learned in your own sentences. Consistent practice is key to building confidence in your speaking abilities. Finally, expand your musical horizons and review regularly. Don't stick to just one genre. Explore different styles and artists to broaden your exposure to English. Revisit older songs and vocabulary to reinforce your learning. Make listening to English music a consistent part of your daily routine. This continuous engagement ensures steady progress and makes learning enjoyable.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.